This is my husband, Zach, and as you can tell, he's a double amputee, but you'd probably never be able to tell if he had pants on because right here, he's carrying a 50-pound bag of feed on the snow with 2 prosthetic legs. He's pretty much a badass. Here we are putting some new bedding down for our calf because it feels like -17 here at our farm right now. And here I am trying to get all the ice off of her. She loved it. She just sat there and let me rub. And our dogs are ready to go in for the night because it literally feels like it's -17. And then here is my beast husband shoveling the sidewalk in the dark.